Ticks avoid this like the plague. Just bring it home from a walk and place it indoors. In summer, when these dangerous parasites are especially active, it's worth using simple and safe protection methods. One of them is common tansy, a plant with a strong scent that effectively repels ticks and other insects. You can easily find it in meadows, at forest edges, along roadsides, or even grow it in your garden. The simplest method is to gather branches and hang them near windows, resting areas, on the balcony, or in a garden gazebo. Placed by windows, it acts as a natural barrier. The scent of tansy in the air is unpleasant for insects. Another great option is to dry the plant and store it in linen bags. The fabric allows the aromatic essential oils to slowly release into the air, creating a natural scent barrier that keeps ticks and insects away. You can place such a bag in cupboards, drawers, or carry it with you. Tansy can also be used to make a homemade spray. Simply crush fresh leaves and flowers, boil them, and strain once cooled. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle and use it on clothing, shoes, or even exposed skin before a walk. It repels ticks and insects while being natural and free from synthetic chemicals.